Hello everybody, this is Christine from the Crafters Outpost. Today I just got in the mood to do a little bit of organizing because I've kind of been collecting and doing too much stuff, so I'm trying to make room for stuff. But I just gotta share this because this is the book that I dried flowers in probably 2 months ago. And I forgot all about it because it was in with my papers that I was going to iron. And so I just wanted to share it and open it up and show you what's inside. Okay, so let's take a look and see what we have here. I think they've been in for more than 30 days. I have so many flowers stuffed in so many books, but we'll take a look. Well, it looks like, oops, gotta be careful. I'm sitting here tearing them up with my fingers. Guess I needed a pair of tweezers. So, usually they don't stick that hard. But there's ways you can preserve them. But they're very dry, very pretty. Probably go to the next one day, try to see if I can preserve them, maybe with some either hairspray or some type of I don't know, we'll see. I have different ideas in my head right now, and right now I just wanted to look and see if they turned out. So there's one. Let's see another one here. This is a book that I got, and beautiful, different big pictures of flowers and things. You can find these usually at Goodwill or garage sales, or I haven't really got to use a whole lot of pages out of it yet because I'm going to make a flower journal, and I wanted to save it for that. So let's see what else we got here. Oh, these turned out really cool. You know, some, and I don't know the name of any of these flowers. I usually go to my sister's farm, and she has a lot of different types of things over there that I pick, and at the time I don't even know what they are when I'm picking them, let alone when they're dried. But these turned out really cool. So, how awesome is that? Beautiful. Let's see what else we got. I don't really remember what all I put in here, so it makes it a nice surprise when you open it back up and find, oh, that looks a little moisture in there. Let's see. No, I think it's okay. You just got to be careful that you don't break them off. And like I said, usually I use tweezers or something to pull them up from. Let's see what else we got. Oop, looks like some more of these other ones. Oh, these turned out really cute. I like these. See, sometimes when they're wet, if you put them in there wet, they'll stick to your pages. So, let's see the next one. Oh, some more of the same, I think. Yeah, I must have really liked these. I picked a lot. I hope there's something else in here besides those. Oh, that turned out cool. I like that one. Oh, look at these. It's just, again, too, all in how you lay them in the book. You know, sometimes they curl up, but, you know, it's a different type of look, so it's not a bad thing. It's not about perfection, right? It's about having fun and being surprised at some of your surprises that surprises you as well. So these are awesome. I love them. So let's see what else we got. I don't know why they're sticking to my book, so I'll just get back to them later. See what this one is. Ooh, these are nice and big ones. Let's see. Oh, sometimes, you know, you get lucky, and other times they fall apart. But they still look really cool when I laminate them. So I can kind of glue them back together. And that's one way I preserve the flowers. If you've watched my other videos, I have a laminator, and I'll put them in between the paper, and then, you know, they stay still. So you keep them that way. All right, that was the great reveal here. So again, these are ways you can just go outside, and why it's summertime, this is the best time to do this. And then in the winter months, you'll have all kinds of neat ways to decorate your journals. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notifications button so you can continue to get my videos. All right, thank you.